Welcome to Arduino Basics. We are going to use our virtual Arduino board. To do that, we are going to use it on Tinkercad. So let's start. First, we need to open our browser and search for Tinkercad. From the different results in our searcher, we are going to select the correct one identified by this icon. If this is the first time you get into this platform, tap on Join Now. Then tap on Students Join a Class. And please use the code and nickname your teacher told you. Because if you use one nickname with a different code, can happen something like this. I am in a different group and I cannot use my nickname. On Tinkercad, we can design 3D models, circuits with Arduino, and programming there with blocks similar than in Scratch. Let's start creating a new design on 3D. On the 3D panel, we can change the name for our name, like you can see here. We can see a lot of different shapes and they are organized by different categories. Yeah, you can see here shapes, text, or other different. If you like one, the only thing that you need to do is select it and drag it to the edition panel. If you select in all, you are going to notice that it's kind of limitless the opportunities that you have to select different shapes. And if you don't find the shape you want, remember you can make it without any problem and add it to the library. Despite of we are working on 3D, here we have the option to see the image in 2D. With the right click, we can select the whole grid, the whole panel, and move it around to see the different shapes. If we need to change something in the shape we have, when we select it, we can move it around on the grid, or we are going to see these different squares. With those, we are going to be able to change the shape in the way that we want. Make it bigger, smaller, flat, or doing whatever you want. Remember that always when you change the figure, the shape of your image over there, you will be able to see the measure of each of the parts. Normally they are seen on centimeters, and that is the number that you can see for each side. With this triangle, you can move your figure up or down without changing the measure of the shape, and with these arrows, you will be able to see the protractor and you will turn around the figure in the way that you need for your project. You will always be able to change the color of your shape. You just need to select here and you select the color you want for your shape. When you are using multiple shapes, it's always useful to select here to make transparent that shape and can use a different shape seen through the one that you make transparent. In that way, it's going to be much easier for you to join two or more shapes. Finally, another tool that we have in here let us to see our project as if it had been designed on Minecraft, or on Lego Digital Designer. And remember, if you want to work by groups, here you will always have the option to share your project. Clicking here, you generate a link, and all those with that link are going to be able to edit your project. Now you know how to work. What you have to do today is a traffic light, but you have to make it as similar as the real one that you can see every single day when you go out on the street. Yeah, give the proper color and the proper shape. What is important? Remember that you can always select and copy all the figures you want to make the whole project. Remember, normally on a corner there are two traffic lights, each one for each street. What are you waiting for? It's time for you to work.